All right, friends, this is Miss Lee, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next with our beautiful line drawings. So after all my lines have been colored, I can paint. But I see that I still haven't gone over this. That's secret white, so I did do that. I'm going to go over my last line 2 times, nice and dark, because I want this paint to resist. I'm going to show you what happens when you don't do it dark. I'll do one little line that's light there. Okay, so now it's time to paint. And I have a watercolor set, brushes, and a water cup. And I always keep these things all next to each other. If I put the bucket over here, I'm going to drip all over my work. So now I am going to wake up my first color. I only have 3 colors on this palette: red, blue, and yellow. Those are called the primary colors. I can make other colors with those colors. I'm going to wake up red first. 1 drop of water, 2 drops of water, 3 drops of water. You want to fill the little eye until it's got a puddle in it. And then gently round and round, like a dancer on their toes, round and round until you see a puddle of red. Now I've got red paint. Look. Now, I can paint right over my pastel, or I can paint inside the lines. Because the pastel is made of oil, it resists the paint. That means it says, "You will not cover me." All right, before I get blue, I'm gonna wake up my blue. 1 drop, and did you see how I cleaned my brush? I go wash, 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 wash. And then I'm gonna wake up my blue again. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, 4 drops, and gently round and round like a dancer on their toes. Never crushing my brush. If I crush my brush, it will hurt the brush and the paints. Now watch what happens when I mix blue into the red. I should be getting, here, I'm gonna put some blue over here. Look how I can go right over the pastel and it pops through. Now I'm gonna mix this blue into the red. What color do you think I'm gonna get? Purple! I'm getting purple. Let's see, there we go. This is kind of a dark blue up here because there's no red in it, or little red. So before I pick up some yellow, wash, 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 I'm gonna wake up my yellow. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, round and round like a dancer on their toes, not crushing my brush. If your paint ever feels sticky, that means you need to add more water. All right. So can you see how that light line that I made is kind of showing, but not great? And it's probably not going to show when I put some blue paint in here to make green. So I've got my yellow on there. Now I'm going to go wash, 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 wash. I'm going to wake up this, it's a blue, but it's almost a turquoise. It makes a really nice green. I got a nice puddle of water on there. And round, gently just brushing the top of the paint. Now I'm going to drop in a couple of drops, and I'm going to get a nice green. Wow, look at that green. That's a secondary color. I'm going to try to make all the colors on the color wheel on my painting and fill the whole thing. I want to show you the secret white real quick with some red. My red is already awake, so I don't need to wake it up anymore. Did you notice how I washed my brush again before I dipped into a new color? That's really important. Check it out. My secret white's not a secret anymore. The cat's out of the bag. All right. So that's how we do it. And when we're finished, we wash our brushes right here in our water cups, wipe them, and with a rag, we just sweep the top of a rag and they're dry. Then we'll collect them and we'll pour our water cups out in the sink. Okay? I'm not finished here, but I don't want to take any more of your time. You will get to finish these yourselves. Okay.